What is it that God put into us? What kind of wild blood did He put into our veins that drives us off the beaten path? Why must we see what's around the next bend? We only stop to see the small things, and then we press forward into the pursuit. Pursuit of what? Pursuit of happiness? Maybe, but it's never found. Pursuit of passion? Maybe, but it never lasts. So what then? What keeps us going, keeps us wondering? Could it be the pursuit itself? We may never know the answer, but that doesn't stop us. Because that thing that God put into us, that thing that pumps through our blood veins straight into our hearts, that thing is called love.